Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and I'm just going to scroll a little bit so you can see the entire drawing here. And our task is to find A. Now A is the angle that runs from here to this dotted line. And what I want you to see quite clearly is that that does not run on from this line. So a straight line through here does not match this. They are quite different. So there are a lot of distractions in here because I made this up from a previous video where we were looking for this angle here. In fact, those of you who've looked at that video will recognize all the angles, and we were looking for this. But then I thought, is there something else that I can do with this to illustrate another aspect of how, if you look at how things are composed and maybe add some features, you can solve what appears to be quite an intractable problem. Now, there are a couple of ways of going about this, I suppose. We can say to ourselves, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. It's a 5-sided figure. However strange it looks to us. So a 5-sided figure, we can work out what the total number of degrees inside that could be. We can work out what this angle is. That's pretty easy. 290 plus 70 gives us 360. We can work out what this angle is. It's 300. And we can go about it that way. So that plus that plus that plus that plus that should add up to, let's just work this out, the formula is 180 times n minus 2. So we've got 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 180 times 3. 3 eighths are 24, 243. Times 80 is 240. 3 times 100 is 300, 540. Okay, so 540 minus 300 minus 55 and 45 is 100. Let's make this easy. And minus 70. So that's 540 minus 400. That's 140 minus 70 leaves us with 70 degrees. So is A 70 degrees? Well, let's just say that it is. And let's see if there's another way in which we can test this thesis. Because I think there is. I think there's more than one way to solve this. So let's take this line here and extend it. Now, we know that that's 55 and that's 45. 55 and 45 add up to 100. This is a triangle, so this angle in here is 80 degrees, which means that this angle in here, because this part here is a straight line, is 100. If that's 180, oh no, this is even easier. If that is 60, then this being a straight line, that is 120. We know that this is a 4-sided figure, and therefore the total angles in here will add up to 360. So 360 minus that, minus that, minus that should give us that. So let's try that. And I'll do this in red. So 360 minus 290. Oh, this is looking good. 100 plus 120 plus 70 is 290. That gives me 70 degrees. A is, according to both my methods, 70 degrees. Well, there you are. There are a couple of ways of finding A. There may well be a third way that I haven't considered, but you'll see that both of those use essentially the same idea. You can use angles on a straight line to find missing values. You can use the fact that triangles have 180 degrees inside them, that five-sided figures have 540 degrees on the interior angles, and that four-sided figures have 360 degrees on the interior angles. Well, there you are. It's a cornucopia of formulas and methods. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.